In this video, I'm going to show you how to, step by step, connect your Stripe or your PayPal account in System.io so that you can start accepting payments for your services, your products, your courses, or whatever else you're creating within System.io. It's super simple. If you're new here, my name is Rianna. I help small business owners, just like you, set up simple systems so that they can save time, attract more clients, and grow with ease. If this is something you're interested in, hit subscribe so you're not missing out on any upcoming tutorials. Okay, are you ready? Let's dive in. Inside your System.io dashboard, go to the right corner, click on your profile icon, and select Settings. And then from the left-hand menu, click Payment Gateways. And then the first thing we want to do is connect Stripe. So click on the Stripe section and then hit Connect. And now you'll be redirected to Stripe to log in. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free. Just go to Stripe and click on Create Account. It's going to ask you for some business details to verify your account. And then once you complete the process, you go back, you click on Connect, and then it's set up. Next, let's connect PayPal. Click on the PayPal section, then hit Connect, and now you'll be prompted to log into your PayPal business account. If you don't have a business account, you'll need to upgrade your PayPal to business before connecting it. You can follow the prompts here if you click on Sign Up to grant permission, and once you're done, you'll return back to the System.io system where you should see a green check mark set up. If not, click on Connect and it will show up. Now you should see a green check mark with either your Stripe or your PayPal or any of the other accounts that you're connecting with it. Then before you start selling, let's quickly test to ensure everything is working. You head over to your funnels. We're going to create a sales funnel. And then we're going to check on settings. And what you should see now here in the bottom is your PayPal and your Stripe account and any other account that you've set up. If you see that, everything is done well. Now, if your connection fails, double check if you're using actually a business account for your PayPal, for your Stripe, and any other account. And make sure that your Stripe account is fully verified. They are going to ask for bank details, for bank address, for your business address. And then if it still not shows up, refresh your System.io dashboard, and usually then it shows up. So if there's any other issues, you can reach out to the System.io support from your dashboard, click on Help, and you can get support from the team. If you have any other questions to me, you can leave a comment below this video. That's it. Now you've connected your Stripe or your PayPal account within System.io so you can easily accept payments. If this video was helpful, please give a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you don't want to miss out on any upcoming tutorials about System.io and business backend, anything else what I can come up with. If you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comments below. Always happy to help. And in the next video, I am going to show you how to set up a checkout page. So everything we've done in this video is going to be put in practice so you can start making your first or your next sales. You can find the video linked below or here on the screen.